Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and welcome back to another Bitcoin update for Thursday, 27th of January. And thankful of goodness, man, I'm actually feeling kind of a little better right now. That even my voice is starting to come out of my mouth. And very quickly, if you're not in the Discord, join the damn thing because why not? Why not? We got so many things here going on, from announcements, from the YouTube alerts that this channel has. If you don't want to miss that, we have the signals, which is kind of premium, and I'm going to tell you about this one. It's $5 per month, but I'm not trying to really actually promote that one. The thing that I want you to know is the giveaway booth, and this is where I'm giving the first 20 USDT giveaway for the first time to someone who is lucky. You can go and have a chicken dinner, right? And the only way to participate is you leave a heart on this post. So if you want to join the Discord, join the Discord, go to the giveaway booth, just leave a heart, okay? And I like how the members here, they didn't like text anything, they just left hearts, right? Normally members just like to drop their text in there as well. Now anyway, business picks as usual, and we're going to talk about Bitcoin this time around, and let's see what the hell is happening into the market. Now yesterday when I didn't speak and I was actually making some slides and people were so bored, and I was kind of bored as well because I like to hear myself talk all the time. The issue is that I wasn't really excited with what Bitcoin was doing, and going up and building trust among the retail investors at the moment. Now, retail investors are those like you and me, people who are shrimp in a ocean of whales. You know the big people, they're called whales. As a matter of fact, this is for your general knowledge, okay? The people who have a lot of money, like more than thousands of Bitcoin, they're known as whales, right? And the people who have less than one Bitcoin are known as shrimps. If you never knew that, you now know it. This is the reason why you should follow my channel, guys. And now the thing is, if I dive into the daily time frame, I didn't find that Bitcoin was interested to go to the upside, because I told you very, very clearly yesterday that pay attention to the 10 EMA. Did I actually do that or not? But I'm gonna do it right now. All right, so I'm gonna bring in the EMAs just like this, and look what happened. You went down to 32K. You made a nice beautiful dragonfly right there, and perhaps in the small time frames like the 4 hour time frame, there was a bull flag, just a small bull flag, and it actually met the target, went to the 10, got rejected at the 10. Just look at that. Right, so it got rejected at the 10 completely. Now the only way to actually cancel this downtrend, and I do believe that Bitcoin is actually looking to go down to $29,000. Now the only way to invalidate $29,000 is when you go above the yellow line, backtest the yellow line, then you move, and then that's it, okay? Then you go to the upside. But that's not happening. That's just not the way it is. You're still under the yellow line. You've even like completely rejected it to roll even way more down. And to me, it doesn't seem like 29,000 is gonna be the only place that things are gonna stop. But I do believe, hopefully, that this year alone, regardless of January, regardless of February, or maybe the whole Q1, the first 3 months of this year, regardless of that, we might still get something known as 100K per Bitcoin. Something does ring my bell and tells me that as I spoke before, I've left this line on the charts, and it's just a wave count number 4 of the Elliott wave theory at best. Maybe this is just wave number 4. Go to the 24, 22, $23,000. I do see this coming. I do see a potential thing coming up, or we could have a double bottom. First bottom, go to the 29, 30K, spend some time there and move, and then you make another bottom. So these are bullish. These are bullish, and this is bearish, which is a double top. So normally what you don't want to see is, if you do go to nearly, $29,000, and then you go a little bit more down to $26,000 in back test, then you're actually going to fall to the 24,000 region areas, right? So we're going to talk about that one in the future, of course, if we start to lose the $29,000 region. If you're not losing that $29,000, and then you go and you bounce off the 29 and you continue to hold the support like a boss here, regardless if there's a wick down and you close above 29, that will be good as well. And then you just continue all the way to the upside. Then you're going to be putting a nice bullish pattern, which is known as a W double bottom, right? So it looks like a W like this, and when you break the neckline, a very big neckline right there, potentially by the end of the year, then you're going to see something like this, right? So from the top here to the bottom, that's how you do it. And then when you break out of it, you go all the way for the fifth wave, and that takes you nearly the $150,000, which I do see in the future. Okay, I do see that in the future. I mean, Bitcoin has adoption on the horizon. People are stepping in. You cannot deny the fact that it's being adopted by so many people, and the whole world doesn't know about it. The adoption keeps on rising. It keeps on continuing, guys. And once people jumping into the bandwagon of Bitcoin, and that circulating supply goes less, you're gonna see this shit go to it's not a shit, but it's stupid Bitcoin go all the way to nearly even $1 million or $2 million. That's gonna be my price prediction within 10 years. That's just how cute this is. Now the thing is, back to this chart right here, we have something known as an evening star. Okay, so evening star are bearish. You had a spinning top. When it appears on an uptrend like this, a small mini uptrend like that one, and you see a spinning top appearing here, it means that the reversal is going to happen. So basically, I like to do Google. So let's do the Google, and I'm going to say evening star candlestick. If you're new to the channel, a lot of people know this by now. If you don't know it by now, it's okay though. I'm just gonna show you how it is, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so you have that green candle, that's doji in the middle, which is known as a spinning candle, and then a red candle. Three of this candle combined are known as an evening star. On the opposite is when you combine the, when it appears in a downtrend like this, and it's the other way around basically. Just leave that one. We're gonna save that one for later. Let's talk about the evening star. So this evening star does tell me that this pump that you saw is over. It's basically over. It's done, right? And along with this yellow line, I'm gonna tell you one more resistance. It is this particular $37,000 region. Now, when we went down all the way down to $32,000, you went back to backtest this particular support that you broke. You've already broken out of the $39,000, which is the yellow line. I've talked about this one before. And now I told you the next best support after 39 that is really going to confirm that Bitcoin is going to go even way more down is this. It's this 37,000. So you could have even seen Bitcoin come a little bit down to $37,000, go back for the retest of the 39 and pass it and continue. But it didn't do that. It even went below the 37. It went back to backtest this 37, which is actually right here if you look at it. And then it failed. And once it failed, guys, that's it, right? You go up, backtest the support that became resistance now, and then you go for the $29,000. Simple put as that. And that's it for today's update, guys. I still believe there is a drop to go to the $29,000. The only way to invalidate the downtrend, as I said before, is when you go cross the 39, backtest, continue. You completely cancel the downtrend, and then potentially your uptrend is going to be there. And I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.